is something about farming or agriculture that you will really impress or catch your eyes. If you notice, right from where I'm standing, see, that's a pineapple farm, and is one of the projects that one will be really interested in catching or starting. So on such an acre of land or 1 acre or two, you could start such farming. And if you notice, there are fruits there, there are fruits there. If you zoom in, you see there are fruits there. The feel of the place and of the garden itself, it gives you an impressive look. See the smoothness, the clearing, the contact with the nature, the sound. It's important to realize how nature is a blessing. This was a pineapple. This was a pumpkin garden. So you see, those are some of the remains. It was cleared, and that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay subscribed and liking and commenting to my channel.